Provided the inverse of a function is a function, we have a nice notation for the inverse. So remember, f is a function if each x is related to exactly one y, and a relation is 1 to 1 if exactly one x is related to each y. So function, elements of the domain only get one element of the range. 1 to 1, elements of the range only get one element of the domain. And remember why we defined this. F being 1 to 1 is the same as its inverse relation, being a function. We say f is a 1 to 1 function if it is both a function and 1 to 1. All right, why am I bothering you with all this terminology? If f is a 1 to 1 function, we say f inverse is its inverse function. And we use the symbol f inverse of x in the same way that we use f of x. All right, what do I mean by that? So let's suppose that we have f of x equals 2x minus 2. Right, that means f is the relation xy where y equals 2x minus 2. Then by definition, f inverse is just the collection xy where x equals 2y minus 2. Again, we just exchange x and y. But I bet I can solve this for y, can't I? I better be able to if f inverse is to be a function. Let's see. I've got x equals 2y minus 2. To get y by itself, first I need to get rid of this subtraction. I get x plus 2 equals 2y. Now I need to get rid of this multiplication. I divide both sides by 2. And I'll get y. X divided by 2 is just 1/2 x. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So f inverse of x is the collection of xy, where y is 1/2 x plus 1. In function notation, I can write f inverse of x is 1/2 x plus 1. And I can use this notation to describe my inverse function. I'm going to have you try a problem like this. Following all of these steps for now, we'll see a faster way shortly. Let f of x be 2/3 x minus 6, and find f of x. Pause the video and try this now. If you are completely stuck, when you start up again, I'll give you a hint. Okay, here's the hint. Your first step should be to rewrite this statement as f is the relation where x is related to y if y is 2/3 x minus 6. If you haven't already, pause the video and try again to solve this. Okay, well, if this relation is f, then its inverse relation is the pairs xy, where x is 2/3 y minus 6. But now we can solve this for y. 2/3 y minus 6 is x. Add 6 to both sides. 2/3 y is x plus 6. Divide both sides by 2/3. I'll get y is, well, dividing by 2/3 is like multiplying by 3/2. So this will be 3/2 x plus 6. Now we distribute 3 halves x plus 3 halves of 6 is 9. We get y equals 3 halves x plus 9. So that means f inverse of x is 3 halves x plus 9.